Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to see transaction history in Amazon Pay. This is a useful feature if you want to keep track of all your purchases and payments made through Amazon Pay, whether you're checking past orders or managing your spending. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will give you access to all the features and tools associated with your Amazon account, including Amazon Pay. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here you'll find a menu option labeled Returns and Orders. Click on this option. This section is typically where you can view your order history, but we're taking it a step further to access your Amazon Pay transaction details specifically. Now that you're in the Returns and Orders section, look at the top toolbar on the page. You should see an option labeled Amazon Pay. Click on Amazon Pay and this will open up a comprehensive view of all your transaction history. Here you'll be able to see every purchase and payment you've made using Amazon Pay, giving you a complete overview of your spending activity. This transaction history includes details like the date of each transaction, the merchant or seller, the amount paid, and the payment method used. It's a great way to monitor your financial activity and ensure everything looks correct. You can also use this information for budgeting purposes or to verify specific purchases. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed your Amazon Pay transaction history. This simple process allows you to stay on top of your spending and keep your financial records organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.